Best ducted whole house dehumidifier. A best ducted whole house dehumidifier will help in decreasing a high level of humidity in your room efficiently. 5 Best ducted whole house dehumidifier. Number 1. Aprilaire 1870 XL Pro. The Aprilaire dehumidifier sizing can remove up to 130 pints of moisture from the air, that is equivalent to 16 gallons per day. Number 2. Aprilaire Basement Space Dehumidifiers. It helps in removing 120 pint of moisture and 55 ppb from up to 1,300 square feet area per day. Number 3. Basair Airworks 120X Dehumidifier. The dehumidifier comes with 2 rigid handles, which makes it easier to position it for moisture removal. Number 4. Basair Airworks 55 Dehumidifier. The dehumidifier processes air up to 130 CFM and 60% energy efficient. Number 5. Dryeza 413 LGR Dehumidifier. The control panel of the dehumidifier displays the relative humidity, the inlet/outlet temperatures, and tracks job hours.